Guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going only to make a short comparison between these two lineman's plier. They are well-known lineman's plier. We have here as what we have seen, Klein tools. This is J2000-9NE CRTV, and the other one is our Southwire SCP9TVCV. So just a little comparison is all about this video. So let's talk first with the length of this lineman's plier. This is about, they are both the same. I think they are both the same, almost 9.5. But if you're going to see, our Southwire has a longer appearance or in actual because of the tethering attachment that Southwire has on its handle. And then if we are going to see the features of our Southwire, this is 8-in-1 combo lineman's plier, so it has 8 features, but our Klein J2000-9NE only has 4 features: the gripping, the cutting, the crimper, and the piston fuller of this lineman's plier, while our Southwire has gripping jaws, and then bolt spanner, wire stripper for AWG 12 solid, and then the side cutter, and then the bolt shearer for 632 and 832, and then we have here the crimper, and then we have here the piston fuller, and the other one we have here the pipe reamer. So when it comes to features, I will go on Southwire because it has 8-in-1 or 8-in-1 combo plier, while our J2000-9NE CRTP has only 4: the gripping, the cutting, the piston, and the crimper. But when it comes to the handle, guys, if I will be I will tell you honestly, when it comes to the comfort or the cushion grip handle, I will go with Klein. Klein has a very comfortable than our Southwire, so I will go with Klein when it comes to handle. And then the another thing that we have about to mention on this comparison, if you can see, the gripping jaws of our Southwire is shorter with the gripping jaws of our Klein J2000-9NE. But as what I have said, Southwire has bolt spanner for loosening and tightening of bolts and nuts that we are working on our job site. And then the another thing that I have noticed with the advantage of our Southwire has a tethering attachment. So if you are going to compare the length of this one, so as what I have said before, our Southwire is longer and very and safer when it comes on working on high places, because you can tie this one, and then if you accidentally mishandle or drop the flyer, it will not drop on someone or on our job site. So Southwire is safer when it comes when working with higher places on our work site or on our job site. So I think the another thing that we have to consider on buying lineman's flyer is the cutting ability. But before we proceed on the cutting ability of our lineman's flyer, so as what I have said before on my review on this one, this is about 3.7 centimeter the total width of our Southwire. And then with our Klein, I will check this one, what is the total. So this is about 3.2 only, 3.2 centimeter. So our Southwire is wider with about 0.5 centimeter or 5 mm. As you can see on what we have said on our language or in Tagalog, Southwire is more brusco or macho compared with Klein. So it is wider than our Klein lineman's plier, as you can see. And then we will now proceed on the cutting abilities of this both lineman's plier. So guys, these two lineman's plier have an ability to cut ACSR, screws, nails, and most hardened wire. But we will not go on that, as I have already shown my lineman's plier, and besides I don't have ACSR here. So we will now proceed on cutting what is this, some electrical material, some electrical wires, and with a sheet of paper, and for you to see and for you to decide who will be which of this plier has a better ability when it comes to cutting materials. So I will just get a sheet of paper for you to see, and then with some pieces of electrical wires for our demonstration. So let's start first on cutting sheet of paper using our Klein. So as you can see, and as you can hear, this is the way how Klein cut this sheet of paper. So the sheet of paper goes like this. Okay, this is the blade of our Klein J2000-9 ECRTP on cutting on a sheet of paper. Then we will proceed by using our Southwire. How this one will cut sheet of paper for us to see if the blade are perfectly parallel. So this is the way Southwire cut up a sheet of paper. So we will try it again. Okay, so as you can see, on the first first cutting trial of this lineman's plier. So sorry, I will make a little bit thinner, because I think when we cut the piece of paper, it goes with the wire stripper. So now we will try. So this one, so it cut, but not same as Klein. So from this from this first cutting trial, we can now justify which of this lineman's plier are sharp. So we will now proceed on cutting wire. So this is AWG number 12. We will try to cut. Okay, this is fine strand of the wire. This is how our Klein Journeyman J2000-9 and ECRTP cut the wire, and I feel this it absorbs snap when using Klein lineman's plier. So I think even though you use this one for a whole day, it will not give you a hand fatigue. So we will try it again. Okay, so cutting like butter, like scissor. So we will try now using our Southwire. Okay, it cuts also, but I think Klein has a better ability when it comes to cutting wire. So this is our AWG number 12, and then we will proceed on cutting AWG number 10. Okay, this is how J2000 cut the AWG number 10 with the fine strand of the wire. Okay, so this is our Southwire cutting these materials, and then we will try to cut our network cable. Okay, very good. Okay, very sharp also. Okay, with Klein, using Klein. Okay, so in any materials that we are cutting, I think Klein has a better cutting ability when it comes to Southwire. But I am not saying that Southwire is not a good lineman's plier. This is also good, because as you can see, it cuts also very well, and it has a lot of features compared to other lineman's plier on the market. And then we will try now to cut this royal cable with many, I think with 4 by 1.5. Okay, this is how it cut using Southwire. Okay, we will try with our Klein. Okay, very sharp. Okay, very sharp. Okay, this is our Klein cutting these types of materials. Royal cable with 4 by 1.5, very sharp also, and also with our Southwire. So guys, this is only my simple comparison and simple presentation about these two lineman's plier. So if you are going to buy lineman's plier, and the choices are Southwire, SCP9, TPCV, or J2000 CRFT, J2000-9 and ECRTP. So what will be your choice? Klein has only 4 features of gripping jaws, with NAR jaws, with cutting, side cutter, with crimper, and with the fistay fuller, and then with the Southwire, it has 8 features, 8 in 1 for gripping, bolt spanner, and then side cutter. And then we have here the bolt shearer, the crimper, the 5 primer, and then the piece tape fuller. And when it comes to price also, this one is more expensive when it comes to Southwire. Southwire is a lesser cost with our Klein, and it has more features. This is made in America, this is made in China. So what will be your choice, guys? So I hope this video has found you helpful. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and God bless you all mga kalinya, and see you on my next video.